Today I'm going to be embarking myself on the most brutal challenge I've ever attempted. I'm going to be attempting to take just $100 and turn it into $10,000. And if I don't hit at least $10,000 in profit, then I'm going to be giving away $500 to a few viewers who drop a like and comment on this video. So with that being said, let's get this challenge started. Alright, so you heard the deal. I have just $100 to start with, and the goal is to turn it into $10,000. So with that being said, let me explain the rules to this challenge. Rule number 1, I can't use any connections I have, so no employees, friends, or even my puppy Willow. Rule number 2, all money must be made using the internet, so no begging on the street or robbing any banks. And last but not least, rule number 3, every penny must be accounted for. So any profits that I make from this challenge, they need to be shared completely transparently so all you guys can see real proof how it was made. But now that you understand the challenge, let's get to business. Alright, so if this challenge wasn't already difficult enough, I wanted to spice it up a little bit, and that's why I'm bringing in the spin wheel. In each of these sections, there's a different business model, and whatever it lands on, we're gonna have to use to make the money for this challenge. So let's spin it and see where it lands. Come on. Come on. Come on, no way. No way. Alright, the fact it landed on dropshipping is absolutely incredible because that's actually my expertise, so we got really lucky with this. So my plan now is to find an absolutely banger product that we can start advertising and making hordes of profit. So I'm gonna start looking and I'll get back to you after I found our product. Alright guys, I've been looking for products for the last 10 minutes and I think we just got really lucky. I just found this product over here and I saw a Facebook ad that's absolutely blowing up for this product. So I definitely think this is an awesome product for us to get off the ground. Not only does it have a low ticket price, but this is the perfect product that's advertised successfully in December. So I'm gonna get to work and I'm gonna start creating the logo and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so I've been putting my Canva skills to the test and ended up creating these two logos. I decided to go with the brand name Simply Charge and I went with logo number A because it had a little bit cleaner and more simplistic design. But now that we have our logo made, it's time to get started on creating our website. This is usually the most daunting part, but luckily this time we're gonna be using Commerce HQ, which is basically Shopify's bigger brother. So I'm gonna get to work on the website and I'll be back with you guys in a few hours. The Simply Charge website is finally done, so let's hop into my phone and check it out. Okay guys, so here's the website. As you see, we tried to keep this super clean and modern. We made some different graphics on Canva over here, and when you scroll down, you can see we actually found this really cool gift that worked perfectly on our website, and then we actually put a few different bundles here, so you can buy this in a 1-pack, a 2-pack, and a 3-pack. I think we absolutely crushed it with this website, and that's why I really love Commerce HQ. I call it the Shopify killer because it's much quicker and you get much higher conversions than Shopify. If you guys have not checked this out yet, then I'm gonna drop a link down in the description for a 14-day trial for up to 6 stores. But now that our store's officially done, we're pretty much ready to advertise. The only thing we need is an absolutely amazing video ad. So I'm gonna head over to Bands Off Ads. These guys always have fire ads, and I'm gonna be placing an order. I ended up going for the $55 package, and after using a discount code, we managed to secure it for just $49, which brings our total budget to $51 remaining to get this store off the ground. So now I'm gonna wait till this ad gets finished up, and I'll be back with you guys. Alright, we just got the ad back from Bands Off Ads. I'm always shocked how fast these guys deliver, and they absolutely crushed it with this one, so let's check it out. So I definitely think this was a really good use of the $50. If you guys haven't checked out Bands Off Ads yet, I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can save 15% on your first orders. These guys always knock it out of the park with video ads, so definitely check them out. Now that our ad's ready to go, let's launch these up on Facebook. Alright guys, I just got done launching the ads and we targeted 10 different interests. I'm gonna leave some B-roll on the screen showing you the different audiences we targeted. And we started our budget off for $50 per day, which literally means if we don't get sales the very first day, then we're absolutely wiped out of this challenge. So honestly, I'm super worried and I'm just really crossing our fingers that this works out. Alright guys, I'm starting to get really worried. The ad has been running for about 12 hours now, and if we go onto our Commerce HQ account, you can see that we had 16 visitors on our website, a few of them added to cart, we had a few who reached checkout, but ultimately 0 people have purchased, and if we actually go over to Facebook, we can refresh this, and you can see that we spent $19.46 with no sale, which is really worrisome because we literally only have $30 left before we're completely wiped out. So I'm really hoping things start to pick up, but I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're in a little bit of a predicament. Yesterday I told you how we literally only had $30 left in our budget before we were completely wiped out of this challenge. Now, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. We went over our budget by $7. Finally, after spending $58 on ads, we got our very first sale, and it was actually a massive order for $139.99. That order alone gave us $50 profit, so it took our old remaining budget of $50 and actually bumped it all the way up to $100. So technically I failed this challenge, but I definitely don't want to end this video because I can tell that this is going in the right direction. So instead of quitting right now, I'm going to keep my promise from the beginning of this video, and I'm going to be giving away $500 to one of the viewers who drop a like and comment on this video. But now that you understand where we are with this challenge, I'm going to keep these ads running for a few more days, and I'm going to check back with you, and I hope we're still profitable. Alright guys, this ad has been running for a few days now, and originally I thought this product was going to absolutely take off after that first order, but let's hop into the computer and let me show you exactly where we're at right now. Alright, so in total for this product, we ended up spending $152, and it says that we have 3 tracked purchases over here. So if we do come over to our Commerce HQ account, you can see that on December 16th, we got 1 sale, on the 17th, we got another sale, and on the 18th, we got 1 more sale. So we totaled 3 sales, and if we tally all of this up, it equals $220 in revenue. But obviously that's not all profit because we ended up spending $152 on advertisements, and the product cost on this is just about $70, which means that we barely broke even. So what I ended up doing is completely shutting off all the ads because I got really worried that this product was going to wipe our budget out again, but I actually had an absolutely genius idea. Since we already purchased the Simply Charged domain, instead of letting it go to waste, I'm going to be reusing it, and I'm actually going to be testing out another product, hopefully a more viable product that will actually get us some real profits, because unfortunately that last product just wasn't it. But after doing some research, I found this phone charger over here. I thought it was really cool and it had an awesome branding potential. So now my plan is to rebuild the Simply Charged website using this product. So I'll be back with you guys in about an hour or so. Alright guys, here's the new Simply Charged website. I tried to make a ton of improvements on this website, and I think it came out much better than last website. With this product, there was actually a ton more graphics and product photos we could have used for this, so I think this one just came out a lot better. So I'm honestly just much more confident that this product's actually gonna get us results. But unfortunately, we don't have enough budget for another ad from Bands Off Ads, but luckily there was some really good video content of this product on Alibaba, so I'm just gonna be using this video to test it out, and if we do get more sales, then I will order a video ad. So now my plan is to relaunch this website with Facebook ads, so I'm gonna let them run for a few days and I'll check back in with you guys. Alright guys, the ads have been running for a few days now, and I'm super excited to share the results. Initially, when we launched this campaign, sales started coming in right away. The first day we made over $220 in sales, so I'm really excited to show you where we stand today. So let's hop into my computer and check it out. Alright guys, so I'm in my Commerce HQ account right now, and as you see, we've done a total of 12 sales. There was a few of these from the other product, but the rest of these sales are from that brand new product we decided to test. And overall, we've done a total of $368.78 in sales. Now, obviously that number is not all profit, so let me break down all the expenses that got us to over $368 in revenue. Alright guys, so the first and biggest expense is the Facebook ads. So we ended up spending $176.09 to generate those 9 sales. And then of course, we actually have the product cost to order this off AliExpress. And as you see, this $11.69 for the product. And we actually managed to sell 13 of these units. So it's gonna be 13 times $11.69, which is $151.97 for the product cost. So if we take all the revenue and subtract these expenses, we're left with a grand total of $40.72. But let's keep in mind that this doesn't cover the cost of the domain name, and the domain name costs us $8.92, which brings our grand total for the profit to $31.80. Now, obviously that's not a lot of money, but we managed to at least hit about a 10% profit margin, which is still really solid. So I'm actually happy with the results of this product. So my plan is to keep running this product until it dies out. But to wrap the first episode of this challenge up, we managed to make $31.80, and if we actually add on the $50 that we have left, it ended us with $81.80, which I know is less than the original $100 we started out with, but we had some fixed costs like domain names and advertisements. But I'm pretty confident that by next video, things are gonna be running a lot smoother and a lot faster. So I'm gonna make a goal. If we don't hit at least $1,000 in profit by the end of next video, then I have to give away $1,000 cash to one of the viewers of this video. So if you guys do want to see that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It took weeks to make, but I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.